You can literally wake up feeling refreshed and lighter by doing one simple thing before bed. Let me explain. It's all about incorporating the gelatin trick into your bedtime routine, and I've seen it make a huge difference in how people feel in the morning. By adding a spoonful of gelatin to your warm tea or milk before sleep, you're giving your body a chance to replenish and rejuvenate overnight. As you drift off to sleep, the gelatin trick gets to work, gently supporting your digestive system and helping to reduce any overnight bloating. My friend swears by this trick, saying it's the reason she can wake up feeling more energized and focused without that sluggish morning feeling. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just mix it in and forget about it, letting the gelatin trick do its thing while you sleep. To start seeing the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself, check out the link in my description below for a detailed rundown of how to get started. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment, where I've shared some additional tips and tricks for making the most of this simple yet powerful ritual.